Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Sequences and Series Exercise 2.9, question number 16. Let's see the question. Between 1 and 31, m numbers have been inserted. So from 1 to 31, there are m numbers. That is, let me take this to be A1, A2, A3. Therefore, there are m numbers in such a way that the resulting sequence are in AP. So this is in AP. And the ratio of the 7th and the m minus 1th term is 5:9. So this is in the ratio. The 7th term and the m minus 1th term are in the ratio 5:9 is the second given. Find the value of m. We need to find the value of this m. So how many numbers are there in between? We need to find it. Now if I take 31, what will be the 31st number be? If here we know that here till we have m numbers, if I include this number, it will be m plus 1 number, then this will be m plus second number. So totally there are m numbers in between. If it is 5 numbers, then this will be 6 and this will be 7, total of 7 numbers. This will be of 7th term. Like that, here we have m terms. So m term, here one number is included, so m plus 1, here m plus 2. So a m plus 2 number here is 31. Now we know the an formula. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We are going to apply the formula here. Instead of n, we have m plus 2 here. So a plus m plus 2 minus 1 into d is equal to 31. We know the a value is 1. Substitute it here. So 1 plus m plus 1 d equal to 31. If 1 goes to this side, it comes as minus. So m plus 1 into d equal to 30. If I multiply this inside, it becomes md plus d equal to 30. Okay, let me take d to that side. So md equal to 30 minus d. Wherever I see md, I'll just substitute the value 30 minus d. So we got first equation as md is equal to 30 minus d. Okay, here they have given 1, a1, a2 till am 31. There are this number of terms are there in the given AP, and they have given the 7th term. The second thing given is 7th term and the m minus 1th number is 5:9. If I take 7th term, here in this case my 7th term will be my A8, because we have calculated the first term from the second term. So here the first term is, here A1 is nothing but the second term, A2 is nothing but the third term, A3 will be my fourth term, then my 7th term will be of A8. Here we need to be very careful, because we have not chosen the first term as A1, we have taken the first term to be the A2. So your 7th term will be the next term. So it is A8 by, and m minus 1, the same way m minus 1 term, the before term here will be 1 preceding, that is it will be of a m. So a m minus 1 is nothing but a m, because we will add plus 1 term to each and everything. So if it is 7th term, we are adding 1, it will be 8. If it is the next term of m minus 1, so m minus 1 plus 1 will be of m. So mth term is 5/9. Here we should be very careful while writing, because we have not taken the first term to be the first term. So if A8 will be, A7 will be of A8 and am minus 1 will be of am. Here you should be very careful, otherwise you will lose the sum. Now substitute the formula of term formula, which is a plus 7d by a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 5/9. Here we know the value of a, substitute it here. This becomes 1 plus 7d by 1 plus, if I multiply this inside, it becomes md minus d is equal to 5/9. Cross multiply, we know the value of md. Instead of md, we can substitute the 30 minus d. Instead of md, we can substitute 30 minus d. So while cross multiplying, I'll substitute here. I'm going to multiply this here. 9 plus 9 7s are 63d is equal to here 5 plus instead of md, let me multiply 5md, then we'll substitute the value, it becomes 5d. Now 9 plus 63d is equal to 5 plus 5 into, instead of md we can substitute 30 minus d minus 5d. Here we need to multiply this inside, it becomes 9 plus 63d is equal to 5 plus 150 minus 5d minus 5d. Here it becomes 155 minus 10d, 9 plus 63d. Bring d to one side, it comes as plus, so 73d equal to 155 minus 9 becomes 146. So d equal to 146 by 73. So if it is into 2, 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. So d is 273 into 2 is 146. So d value is 2. We have found the d value. We'll substitute in the first equation, that is md. Let me do it here. The md equal to 30 minus d. So we know the d value as 2. I'll substitute here. It becomes 2m is equal to 30 minus 2. So m is equal to, here it becomes 28 by 2. So m will be equal to 14. So value of m they have asked for, it is 14. So 14 is your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.